So how do you make money on YouTube without making videos? I'm talking $100 to $500 every single day without making your own content. Make anywhere from $20,000 to $40,000 every single month on YouTube. So how can you do what I do and make money on YouTube without recording any videos? Well, you're in luck because today I'm going to show you 6 important steps that you can use to start making money on YouTube without making any videos today. So for those of you who don't know me, my name is Jordan Mackey, also known as By 9 to 5, and I teach people how to make money online. So if you're interested in that sort of content, please consider subscribing. Have you ever seen a video on YouTube where they did not show their face at all in the video? More likely than not, the answer to that question is yes. But did you realize that you can make a ton of money on YouTube with those sort of videos? So the crazy thing is that these channels are not even unique YouTube channels. They're just channels that are using other people's content. But why it works is because they are transforming the content. So basically what these channels are doing is they're going out, they're finding videos, they're downloading the videos, they're transforming them, and then they're monetizing the videos by putting ads on the videos. So your next question is probably, okay, but is this legal? And the answer to that question is yes, as long as it falls under something called fair use. So now you might be saying, Jordan, I do not believe you. I think that's bullcrap. I'm going to need to see some example. So I'm going to be showing you an example of a channel that makes countdown videos and has gotten over 1,300,000,000 views on their channel. So to put that into perspective for you, that is over $2,600,000 on that channel in ad revenue alone. And by the way, that is using a $2 CPM, which is a very conservative number for a CPM. So you may be saying, Jordan, that's great, but how much money does this YouTube channel actually make? Well, according to Social Blade, this channel makes anywhere between $2,000 and $37,000 every single month. So they're making that much money just by going out, grabbing some videos, downloading them, mashing them together, putting some voiceover over the videos, and not having to create any of the content themselves. So throughout this video, I'm going to be going over 6 different steps about how you can do this as well. But first of all, I'm going to go through a broad overview of how this works. So the basic idea of this is that you go to YouTube and then you download videos, then you re-upload those videos, and then you monetize the videos through ads. So step 1 is to create your channel. So my guess is that if you're watching this video, you probably already have a YouTube account. So setting up a YouTube channel is super simple. The cool thing is that you can make as many YouTube channels as you want with one account. So you don't need to sit there and make 100 Gmail accounts with 100 different passwords and try to remember all of that. You literally can make as many YouTube channels as you want with just one Gmail account. At this point, you're probably saying, Jordan, that sounds awesome, but what videos should I actually be uploading? Well, that's a great question, and it brings me to step 2, which is choosing a niche. So some of the top channels that I would recommend are finance and make money online niches, luxury, meditation, psychology, scary videos, technology, list channels such as top 5s, top 10s, top 15s, and sports and celebrity gossip. So all of those niches are niches that perform very well on YouTube, and you can find a ton of massive channels having a lot of success with those niches. So after you've chosen your niche, the next thing you're gonna wanna do is add a channel art and a banner and a profile picture to your channel. So by doing this, you're going to be making your channel look legit and official. So step 3 will be getting your channel monetized. So you can easily get your channel monetized directly through YouTube just by joining something called the YouTube Partner Program. So after you do this, YouTube will simply start putting ads on your videos for you, and you will start earning a cut of the profit from those ads. So in order to get monetized, you're going to need 2 different things. You're going to need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Now you're probably saying, Jordan, oh my gosh, that's going to take me forever. Well, do not worry about it, because with the methods I am teaching you, it actually is going to go a lot lot faster for you than you probably think. So for example, on the YouTube channels that I start, I normally expect to get monetized within a month to 2 months of starting that channel. Step 4 is actually getting the content. So you're probably asking, that's awesome, but where exactly do I go to get the content for my videos? So the number one easiest and best place to go for this content is directly on YouTube itself. So say you want your niche to be top 5 videos. All you need to do is go into the search, type in top 5s, and then filter by most viewed in the last month. So that is going to show you examples of a bunch of different videos that are currently going viral on YouTube. So then you'll be able to download those videos and use them in your own videos. All you need to do is make sure that you are transforming the content and staying within fair use. So now I'm going to go over the second place that you can go to get footage for your videos. So there are tons of examples of channels out there like this one called Brainy Dose that simply just put voiceovers over completely stock footage. And one of the best places that I recommend is called pixabay.com. So on this site, you'll be able to find a ton of different clips and pictures that are royalty free and free to use in your own videos. And here's a bonus tip. If you don't want to wait to get monetized and get 4,000 hours and 1,000 subscribers, another way you can make a lot of money on YouTube instantly is by doing affiliate marketing. So all you really need to do is put affiliate links in the description of your YouTube videos that match the niche that your video is about. So you may be thinking, that sounds awesome, but where exactly do I go to get these affiliate links? Well, a few places that I recommend are clickbank.com, jvzoo.com, digistore24.com, and the Amazon Associate Program. Step 5 is optimizing your videos. So it's really important that you're optimizing your videos if you want to have success making money on YouTube without making videos. So the way that you do this is to optimize your titles, descriptions, tags, thumbnails, and subtitles. And the way that you do this is to use a completely free extension called vidIQ. And I'll leave a link in the description for you so you can use it for your videos as well. When optimizing your titles, it's very important that you do this the right way. And one of the best ways to do this is to think to yourself as a viewer, would I actually type this into YouTube if I was searching for this video? So as far as optimizing your description, you really want to be writing full long sentences describing your video and putting in a lot of the key terms and phrases that you want to rank for in your videos. So doing this will ensure that you will show up on the keyword search as well as in the suggested feed of other videos similar to yours. And now for the big one, step 6 is putting ads on your videos. After doing all of this correctly, you should be monetized. And the best way to make a lot of money on YouTube is to make videos that are over 8 minutes long. The reason you want to make videos over 8 minutes is because then you can place mid-roll ads, which means you can place as many ads as you want and you can put them wherever you want in your videos. So the best way to place these ads is to put one ad at the beginning of the video, one ad at the end of the video, and then ads every 2 minutes throughout the video. This will ensure that you will make the maximum amount of ad revenue from your videos. So now I'm going to go over my 6 special secrets for making money on YouTube without making videos. Secret number 1 is editing your videos. So you want to make sure you're editing and transforming your videos or else you could get banned or get copyright strikes. So if you're like, yeah, but I don't want to edit or do voiceovers for my own videos. Well, all you have to do is go to a place called Fiverr and you can hire people to do the voiceover or edit the videos for you for just $5. But honestly, I recommend just grabbing your phone and doing a quick voiceover yourself. All you have to do is go, hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to another video where today we're going to be talking about the top 5 tech gadgets. So now if you want to learn how you can edit your videos completely for free, there's a lot of different places that you can go and softwares you can use. One that I recommend that's completely free is OpenShot. It works for both Mac and for PC as well. So now you're probably asking, how many videos should I post? Which brings me to secret number 2, which is how often you should post videos. And I recommend you post a video, at least one video every day to each channel. So obviously the more videos you post per day, the better. But honestly, you should be able to make one video a day per channel because it only takes about an hour or less to make each video. And remember, there are tons of YouTube channels out there that are literally making over $100,000 every single month. So it's definitely worth it for you to put in the work and make that one video per day. So secret number 3 is to make awesome, engaging thumbnails. So you might be thinking, how am I going to make these awesome thumbnails? I don't have Photoshop. Well, the truth is you actually do not need Photoshop at all to make awesome thumbnails. My absolute favorite place to go for free to make these awesome thumbnails is a place called canva.com. Keep in mind to study some of the most successful thumbnails. So a lot of thumbnails that get a lot of views have red circles, red arrows, things like that. So be sure to think about incorporating those things in your thumbnails as well. Secret number 4 is studying your analytics. So after you upload a video, you want to go in and study your analytics and see everything that is happening around your video and your viewers. And so the most important thing you want to look at, which goes hand in hand with secret number 5, is looking at your audience retention and watch time. So for a normal 10-minute video, you want to be aiming for an audience retention of 60%, which means that on average, each person that watches your video will watch about 60% of your video. So the number one way to increase audience retention is to have a lot of different cuts in your video. So secret number 6 is increasing your click-through rate. Now, click-through rate is how often people click on your thumbnail when they see it either in suggested or in the search results or in other browse features on YouTube. So you want to aim for about a 6% click-through rate on your videos. And the best way to do that is to have good thumbnails and good engaging titles that make people want to click. So if you're able to get a 6% click-through rate and a 60% average view duration, you are extremely likely to go viral on YouTube and ultimately make a ton of money on YouTube as well. So now I want to hear from you guys. Let me know down below, are you going to do this? And if you are, let us know what sort of niche you're thinking about doing and let me know how I can help you out. So now check out this video right here where I go through a complete step-by-step tutorial showing you how you actually download these videos, how you put them together, and how you create a full voiceover. So thanks a lot for watching, everybody. I really do appreciate it. Have a great day.